Hey everybody, MrFlavorsmith here, and it's camping season, and that means the search for a more compact cooking kit continues. I tell you what, I don't know if you're like me, but I have a ton of camping gear, and within that, I have a ton of camping cooking gear. And I always bring things that I shouldn't be bringing along. The tools that were not designed to be used in the field, that were definitely not designed to be packed up compact as possible and transported to those locations. I tell you what, I have a solution for you that I know you're going to find a lot of value in. A company that's making truly innovative, quality multi-tool products. And I'll show you the problem most people face when going camping. And here it is. You're going camping, you're going to be barbecuing for you and the missus. And these are all the things that you end up taking with you. You end up taking tongs with you. You might end up taking a barbecue fork. You're definitely going to take a spatula, and then you're going to have to take a knife with you as well. On top of that, if it's yourself or just somebody else, you need to take 3 different utensils each for each one of you. That's 6 utensils. Add that all up together, you've got 3, 6, 4. You've got 10 different items you need to take with you. What if I tell you I can break all of this down into 3 compact products? And here are those 3 compact products. All of that replaced with just these 3 little items. We'll start with these little guys right here. This is going to be your silverware, your camping silverware. That's right. There it is. Look how compact that packs away. And these aren't just tiny little pieces of silverware. They're really decent size. I mean, that spoon is definitely a decent size. The fork is great. It also has a knife in it. So here we go. Here's our fork, and that just folds out. There's our spoon. That folds out. You can put them back away by just depressing this little piece right here and folding them back away. All right, so let's open them up. All right, and then as you see, this piece right here, it's like a little offset, so a little opening. And what you want to do is kind of just pull them apart. All right, and so now there is your spoon open, and that is truly a decent spoon. There is your fork open, and yet again, a decent fork. And then here is your knife. It is a serrated knife, and that's pretty perfect for cutting just about anything. And it's a decent size, yet again. Comes with these little convenient canvas-like bags. There's your second set. Open them up. Pop it apart. There's your spoon. There's your fork. There's your knife. Now for the fun product. This company is called ROXON. And this right here, man, when I first saw this, I said I have got to get my hands on one of these. This is Roxon's MBT3. They call it their multi-barbecue tool. And it has a grill fork on it, a spatula, barbecue tongs, a sharpened large knife, a bottle opener, and a wine corkscrew. I mean, that's a lot of products in one convenient little package. Check that out. Comes in a really nice, durable bag. Open it up, and there it is. Look at that. Is that cool or what? Everything is in that right there. Let's open it up and check it out. Now at first, when I first saw it, I was like, you know what, that seems like a real gimmicky product, and I'm sure it's gonna be made super, super cheap. It's not gonna be of good quality. When I finally got this into my hands, I stand corrected. This is actually made of really great materials. It's extremely well designed and thought out. What I mean by that is, check this out. Okay, so everything's there, right? And there's your bottle opener, there's your wine corkscrew, put that away. But everything has these like little push latches that allow you to open it, right? So we're gonna open this piece up. We push down on this piece right here, and then that pulls right out, okay? And it aligns with these little keyed holes right here. One right there, and then there's a little piece down there to where this fits back into place, just like this. Push it down, now it's back into place. So to pull this out, you have to depress this. Pull that out, and there it is. That is your barbecue fork and half of your grill tong. Now to open it like this. Just folds right out. And you would think, okay, well, it's just gonna fold back in. No, it's got a safety device right here. In order to fold this back in, you have to depress this and then fold it back in. So it's not gonna come loose on you and it's not gonna fold back in on you. You have to manually go through and depress that to fold that back in. So there's item number one. We come over on this side, and yet again, it doesn't have the same latch, it's a different latch. You depress that down and you pull it out. So press and pull out. There you go. And it's the same thing, okay? So you can open it without depressing anything, okay? Fold it out, but it locks into place. Like this is not breaking down on you at all, okay? Really sturdy. In order to break this down, once again, you have to push this down, fold it back into place. So this is your spatula, and check that out. It's a great size spatula. It's gonna be perfect for flipping burgers, eggs, whatever it is you're doing. And then you're left with this piece right here. Now check this out. Once again, this will not come out without depressing the safety device. So what I do, it has like this ledge that's like right here. So I put my fingers on this side and I just depress this, and look at that. Folds out. Now look at that. That is a straight edge blade, not serrated. I prefer this because it's easy to sharpen this, okay? And look at the size of that blade. And with the handle, the way it's designed, it fits really well in your hand. So you have really good control over this blade. And like I said before, you've got your bottle opener right here, and you have your wine corkscrew right here. Put this all away. In order to fold this blade back down, you have to, yet again, make sure your fingers are out of the way on both sides, depress this down, fold back in, and you're good to go. Now let's put the tongs together. And what I do is I grab the fork, and you see this right here, there's three little pins that are like right here. And over here on this side, yet again, there's like the big hole and the slot, that's a keyed thing. So you put all three in there, okay? And then just push up and click it into place. Now, check that out. There's your tongs. And I tell you what, that's a decent length tong. So for camping, I normally take these tiny little tongs with me, and they usually end right about there. I tell you what, my hands get hot. These, look at the length on these. And it's spring loaded via the inside there with what looks to be a super sturdy looking stainless steel spring system that's in there. And yet again, these aren't gonna come loose on you unless you want them to come loose. And what I mean by that is, over here, once again, you see this little lock area right here, you push that down, and when you push that down, push this piece down at the same time, and they come right off. Look at that. How easy is that? Put it back together. There we go. Let's put them to use. All right, and before we get into cooking with it and showing you the tools, I want to show you this right here. This is another really awesome multi-tool by Roxon. Now, yet again, I was really skeptical at first when I ordered this. I was like, I don't know. Is this something that is quality or is it cheap? And I tell you what, yet once again, super impressed. Why did I want this? Well, it's an everyday carry fold-out blade, which is just handy to have, okay? Let's face it, we're always opening a lot of boxes, and so we need a knife on us handy. It's got a really awesome clip that's built into it so it can easily slip into your pocket and hold it nice and secure. But what I really was interested in was the other feature. So let's depress the knife and fold the knife away. This is the feature I was really excited about. Look at that. Now those are truly decent sized, sturdy scissors. I don't know about you guys, but I always need a pair of scissors everywhere I go. When I'm cooking in the backyard, when I'm camping, whatever it is, I always find myself needing a pair of scissors. And that's the reason why I wanted this. It had a really nice quality straight edge blade on one side, and on the other side, it had these awesome built-in scissors. Check this out. Put them away. Look at that. Yet again, another quality made and quality design product by Roxon. All right, let's get this thing all lit up. This all the way to high. Take the lid off, ignite. Yep, we've got fire. Let the grill heat up for a few minutes. All right, let's put our grill and tongs back together. Push this in. This pulls forward. Over here on this side, push this down. That pulls forward. Those lock into place. Lock into place. Right here, same thing as before. Put it, line it all up. Once you line up the 3 holes, push up with the right side right here. Locks into place. Good to go. With your fingers clearly out of the way, I like to hold them on this ledge on both sides. See, like this. Push down with this thumb, release that lock. Lock this into place. And when everything's assembled, using them as tongs, we're gonna grill up some steaks real quick. Pull our lid off. I'll put the lid back on. Let's flip them. This is kind of nice. You can go in with your spatula if you want and flip it this way. There's a few different ways you can actually use this. I prefer this, flipping it like that. Look, that's pretty handy. So they're not crazy stiff. Okay, so you've got a little bit of give there. If you can see that, there's a little bit of give there. But you can move it around, you can pick it up. You know, having the fork on this side, it allows you to do a lot of stuff. You can get right in there. Like for me, I'm able to get within the grooves of the grill and allows me to lift underneath. Now, if I was on a flat pan, you know, I could get in under there with the spatula. But we're gonna use the spatula feature in just a few minutes. Cover it back up. All right, so let's just say you wanna break your portion down a little bit. All right, now we can use our knife. Hold it with the tongs. I tell you what, that is a buttery, smooth, sharp knife. Just to show you, I'm gonna cut again. That is a really sharp knife. Let me show you how sharp. I'm just not even gonna hold it with the tongs. I'm just gonna apply pressure. And look at that. And so this isn't a crazy tender steak either. This is a chuck steak. It's almost just me and the force of it. And this grill is really wobbly on this table. But look at that. That's how sharp that knife is. Really good knife. So now you just go through, hey, you wanna change things up a little bit? I'm gonna put these guys on the ends. There we go. Let's just see. I mean, I don't know why you would wanna do that, but why not? We can. Just showing you how good these tongs actually work. You can get pretty precise in there, right there on the edge of the tongs, and it works really good. All right. Close it up. Let's flip them. Just a couple more minutes and these will be good. All right, these are done. Let's pull them. All right, so using our knife and using our fork, let's cut into one of these. Let's see how well the knife does. Whoa. That is a super sharp knife. We'll cut in a couple different pieces. Awesome. Truly awesome. This is a perfect little camping setup, no doubt about it. Not hard to cut at all. Look at that, just buttery smooth. And this is not, like I said, this is not the easiest steak to cut into. Let me just see if I can get it with one good slice, because the blade starts right here, so I'm gonna lay it like flat and see if I can kind of just pull it through. Sure can. Check that out. Super awesome. Photo time. Bite in. Cheers, everybody. Tell you what, these are pretty cool. So there should be a discount link in the description below. You can find these and the majority of all the equipment I use on my MrFlavorsmith channel at my MrFlavorsmith Amazon storefront. That's www.amazon.com/shop/MrFlavorsmith. The link is right here. Burger time. Come back in a minute. So I'm thinking for the burgers, I'm gonna use these a little bit different. I'm gonna take these apart. So with this one, I'm gonna take the spatula off of the spring-loaded bracket right here. So I depress down on this black piece and I just push down and that's undone. And then this way I can actually use this as a regular spatula. And then I can use this if the burgers get a little slippery, I can push them on the spatula and flip it that way. Let's try it out that way, see how that works. Going in for the flip. Look at that. It's a decent size right there. Works pretty good. So we've done it that way. Now let's see what it's like when it's small. So let's do it like this. Depress in, close it like this. Now you've got a really compact spatula. Let's try it that way. Same thing with our barbecue fork. Depress this in, and then it spins and closes. So now we've got two small ones. Cover it back up. Give it a minute. All right, let's give it another flip. And using them in their compact configuration, same thing. The juices are flowing. All right, here we go for one last flip. It's kind of nice to have two independent pieces because now you have complete control over your food and nothing's gonna slip off. Let it go for another minute. All right, I say we put them back together, open them up. You can hear it click into place, the lock click into place. Hinge side. Locked into place. All right, let's put the tongs back into action for the final time. We're gonna scoop. That was easy. Hey guys, if you got any value out of today's video and the products I just reviewed for you, do me a huge favor, like this video, comment, do you actually have ROXON or ROXON tools? Or what is your go-to camp barbecue cooking utensil system? And subscribe to the channel. It really helps me produce more valuable, flavorful content like this for you in the future. And until next time, live life flavor.